This is a fresh case of Tristar's Platinum Mystery Autograph Baseballs. This is a 4-box break, meaning that there will be 4 autographed baseballs for 4 lucky winners. Dice roll got to be ace deuce or higher. We're going 6 times. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final, guys. 6, 6. Six times. Good luck on your guys' teams. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final. 6 times. Padres on the bottom. Cleveland, Guardians, and Indians. There it is. There it is. Remember, guys, if there is any retired players, it's always longest tenured. Longest tenured or current team that has been a long-standing Blez operating procedure. Longest tenured, current team, or longest tenured if they're retired. All right, there's your guys' teams, everybody. Here it is, alphabetized. Bang. Let's do it. Good luck. All right, I got Amazing out there to help me out. Probably need some chat participation. Good luck. Ichiro, Mariano Rivera, Ortiz, Bench, Griffey, Harper. Oh, Skeens would be badass. Oh. It is a Rawlings. Oh, it's a Hall of Fame ball. 2024 Hall of Fame inscribed. It's Todd Helton. And he's retired. That's Colorado. The first baseman for Colorado. That goes to the Rockies, Dr. Tiernan. Who remembers the Todd Helton play? Where he was like 5 feet off of the baseball, off of the 5 foot off of like first base, and he caught the ball and the freaking ump called him out, the runner out. he was like 4 feet off of the bag at first base. They threw it to him, he catches it. So that's Dr. Tiernan. All right. Okay, so far I am 1 for 1. Now, you know what would have been cool? You know what would have been cool? Is if it was Chuck Nasty. If it was Chuck Nasty, I would have been happier. What the hell? All right, Major League Ball. Bagwell? The Jeff? Guessing it's Jeff. Hey! Jeff Bagwell. What is that? I know, bro. I knew that auto. Come on. It's Jeff Bagwell. Strohs. Strohs. So that is Jags. 2020. Joe, remind me to text you one of these days. We were cleaning today. And freaking... Sorry, Saturday. Joe, are you live, by the way? You might be like 10 seconds behind, maybe. Assuming. I got a couple of these. I gotta show you the one of one that I have. I have a one of one from one of the Tristars from like 2019 or 2020, but it's somebody I've never heard of, ever. Another Major League Ball. I thought so. Old school. I can't read that. I cannot read that. Is that Paul? That's a P? That's Paul Molitor for the Brew Crew. Oh, JSA certified on that. Nice. Brewers with the Molitor. Ozzie Ryan with the Molitor. Fuck, I couldn't tell. I didn't see that as a P. I was reading that as C. I should have looked at that. Brewers. And our last hit. I like these balls. I like doing these, guys. I always have a great time doing autographed baseballs. Damn it. This freaking string is always stuck. And our last ball is a Major League Ball. Nope. Probably before my time. That's probably one of the ugliest. Orlando Cepeda. What is that? Expos? I don't remember. I'm totally guessing right now. Longest tenure on the Giants? I'm assuming that's Giant. Okay, cool. Longest tenure on that one would be Giants. I know the name. I don't remember it much. Giants and San Fran. Ryan Sue. I just met him today. You go, Ryan. That goes to the Giants, guys. Oh, that's cool. That's good to know. Thank you, guys. That was the break. I know the name. I don't really remember him too much.